To set the wipers in service position, press the lever down. To remove the wiper blade, press the safety button and slide the wiper out. Place the new wiper and slide it until it's locked in place. Press and keep the lever down for about 2 seconds and the wipers will go in normal position.
Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will try to answer all of you.